So again, Dad's got it all fired up. Sounds pretty good so far. With the big bay doors open so we don't get gassed out here like we did the other day. So he's opening the doors a little bigger here. Don't know what he's doing. So Dad is going to start the blue Bombardier now and get it running as well. And the goal is to switch positions here on both these machines in the shop. Okay, both machines are started now in the shop. Dad's going to place a chair into the yellow Bombardier and he's just going to probably back it out. It's got no chair right now, no floor, no gas pedal, but he's going to just wing it here. It's the first time this machine has moved in months. And it just there it goes out of the shop. Again, we're just moving it out of the shop and so we can get the blue Bombardier out as well. Okay, so walking back into the shop and we're going to get the blue Bombardier out now. Oh, here's the first big test. This hasn't moved in months. Okay, we finally got clearance here. And the blue bomber is out of the shop. And it's actually turning quite nicely on those with the power steering and the skis. And Dad's going to move this one out of the way here. Or maybe go for a quick test run. I don't know. Find out. Oh, looks like he's going for a test run. So Dad's around back right now. Got the yellow out of the shop. And he's just in the back over here taking it for a tour. And he's going to round this corner here right away. And he's just rounding the corner here right now. Oh, you got the power steering and those skis. It's doing some good turning. I can already tell I'm going to have to adjust those tracks though. So Dad's just moving in the yellow again. Okay, quick sweep of the shop on both ends here. Dad's gonna move in the blue Bombardier now. And he's gonna come in here. And it looks like Peter just showed up with Steve. So blue's coming in. Nice and slow. Almost dead center, which is good. That's what we want. Good there. Okay, we're gonna close the doors and warm up the shop.
How was the test drive?
Oh, it's great. Yeah, we got everything out here. Dad was working all morning on getting this one operational. He just had to put a few things back together. That one fired up no problem, so did this one. So a couple hours of fan dangling here and then open up the big bay doors and got both of them out. Dad moved that one around the yard already. So when we tested out your Christmas present, worked fantastic.
Okay,
yeah.
Good. You recommend that for?
Oh yeah, recommend it. Yeah, everybody should have one of those instead of sucking gas through a hose and getting it mouthful. But Steve's just supervising the move here now. Yeah. So. Okay. So big day here. Swap positions. Yellows in front, blues in back. A little bit of work to be done here. Probably a week's worth of work or more on this one yet, and then both are out the door. But this is what our big task for today. There you go. Peter and Steve are just supervising the all the work that's been done here. Yeah. So it's been about 20 minutes, half an hour since we got both machines in and swap positions. We have a brake pedal, a rotor, blower motor heater to do on the yellow. Dad's got to enclose everything, finish off the wiring. The rotors and the brake has still got to be installed. So this is what Dad's going to be focusing on going forward. This one here, I think there's a few last tweaks that Dad has to do before getting us back to the customer. I noticed that he told me that the tack wasn't working, so we'll have to discuss with the customer on that one. And but the doors are closed and warming up the shop again. And we finally got some cold weather up here. It's about minus 30, minus 35. But happy to see these two Bombardiers switch positions again. And this one's literally an hour or two away from getting out of here. And this one, like I said, Dad's got some extra work now to go to. But that's it, guys. Stay tuned to the next video.